Dear customer, we truly acknowledge that with this purchase, it's time to fast-track your yoga journey and achieve the results you want in bullet train speed. Wellness and fitness is a daily pursuit for people nowadays. If you want to be healthy, happy, and have a fulfilled life, then doing yoga is a must. It not only improves your health, but at the same time improves every aspect of your life, including physical, mental, relationship, self-development, and spiritual wellness. Besides getting a fit body, yoga can help you achieve great heights in your life by making you mentally and spiritually active. But there's a problem. You would like to get healthy with yoga, but just don't know how. Many individuals believe that yoga is simply stretching and breathing. However, while stretching and breathing are surely involved, yoga is truly about producing equilibrium in the body by formulating both strength and flexibleness. And the worst part, the more you don't know, the less you will succeed. Thus, to help you get started and to ensure you are properly set up and in the optimal position for long-term healthy persona, we are providing you a way to shortcut the process. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Presenting a high-definition yoga for healthy lifestyle 2.0 video training. In this high-impact video course, we'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process of staying physically and mentally happy to lead a successful and prosperous life. And we'll give you everything you need to start your yoga journey today. Get the maximum out of your video tutorials that are easiest and fastest way to stay healthy, effective in killing depression, vital in managing stress, anxiety, and fears. Packed with the health-improving methodologies, efficient in providing you spiritual enlightenment. Forget about wasting your time with the same rehashed garbage that you're sick and tired of seeing and doing. Grab our HD video training and get hold of awesome perks of yoga. With a bounty to improve your health too, along with physical health. We have made the whole process more lucrative for you. Now, you have absolutely zero excuse not to get started today. You can do it, so let's get started today.